Hello guys, I want to show you how to install titanium exhaust on the R8 and avoid any scratches and smudges on the product. So first thing you need to do, you need to cut off this part from the heat shield. So that way you can install the whole shield on the exhaust system. Next, you need to bend those sides like this. So that way you will not scratch the top of the exhaust. Always work in our gloves. So use cloth like this, just cover it, and that way it's going to be protected. You can take it off after you install the heat shield. Let's do it. You can come closer to show it. Yeah. Okay. So now it's safe and you can work around it no problem, and you're not gonna scratch it or damage it.
Yeah, and final adjustment for exhaust tip, it have to be done when bumper taillight installed. You have the room from this area, you can little bit bend this flap again and tie the bolt. After bumper install, you can adjust how is that two pipes going inside the tips, and then after you adjusted, tie the bolt, you can torque the V-bend clamps over there and then finish assembly.